your living area. So this is your spacious living area where you can add up the L-shaped platform, and again that's your most spacious room of the house with a master bed in the minimum design, maximum calm, and that's the idea behind Japandi Living, and this project brings it to life. This is TVS Altura. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal, and today we'll be doing the 3 BHK Lux plus staff room model flight tour of TVS Altura located in Sattanur, Tanisandra, North Bangalore. And this project is developed by TVS Emerald. So, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, let me show you the surrounding of our project, and right now we are here on the actual site of the project, and the main entrance of our project is right coming up over this side. The land parcel starts from here itself and the marketing office is just inside over here. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across 10.6 acre of land parcel consisting of 12 towers, which will be developed in 3 phases. Currently launched with phase 1 with 5 towers of 2 basement ground plus 12 floors, offering you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 3 BHK Lux plus staff room premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you 35 plus luxurious world-class amenities like of 2 grand clubhouse of Japandi theme, 1.5 acre of man-made pond, golf stimulator, 2 swimming pool, you get a temple, gymnasium and many more. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located bang on Bangalore main road in Sattanur, Tanisandra, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and basically the main entrance will be coming up just behind me over here, and this is our Bangalore main road. So basically this road will take you towards Bangalore, and the opposite side road will connect you towards Bellary main road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to Reva University in just 1.1 kilometer from the project. So you can connect to Bangalore metro station in 2.5 kilometers, and Sattva Horizon is 2.6 kilometers away from this project. So now this is your 3 BHK Lux plus staff room model flat of 2080 square feet super built up area, and here's the main entrance of your house. Plus they are providing the separate entrance and exit for your maid's room, that is the staff room. So right over here is your staff room. Once you enter, let's have a look at the flooring, the anti-skid flooring, and this is the room size. Comes up with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, with attached washroom, with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now we'll be moving further to check your rest of the house, that is your main entrance and the living area. So here's your main entrance of the house, comes up with digital door lock for your security purpose, and you can enter towards your living area. So this is your spacious living area, comes up with vitrified flooring, and you can have a look the beautiful interior work which is done for your reference. You can add up the sofa set right over here, the TV unit space which is right exactly in front of your sofa set. Now about the other part, that is your dining area, and this is the spacious dining area. You can have a look over here. You can easily fit in your 6 to 8 seater of dining table. Now this dining area is connected to the balcony. So this is the perfect balcony which comes up with anti-skid flooring. This balcony will be 3 side covered with iron railing. You can enjoy a perfect sip of coffee from here. Now we'll be heading towards your kitchen area. So this dining area is very easily accessible to the kitchen area, and this is the entrance for your kitchen. So once you enter the kitchen area, let's have a look at the layout of the kitchen, where you can add up the L-shaped platform, and again the beautiful interior which is done for your reference. Additionally, this is the anti-skid flooring which comes up in your kitchen area. The cabinet work is done for your reference, white good platforms. And even the dry balcony, that is the utility area, is enclosed over here, which is divided by a half wall structure and with tile drop to avoid the water spillage. Again with anti-skid flooring. And over here, they are providing two provision for the machine, a window, and you can add up your sink right over here. Moving further towards your bedroom space, and your bedroom number 1 is just beside your kitchen area. And once you step inside this room, it comes up with a foyer area for your privacy, and you can have a look at the flooring, the vitrified flooring, and the interior says that this is the kids' bedroom where you can fit in your study table, the TV unit space. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And the wardrobe space is right over here. Additionally, the bed just this side. And there is ample of space to move around in the room. This bedroom comes up with a private washroom as well. So your private washroom is right over this side. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Here the shower area is divided via tile drop. Now we'll be moving further towards your another bedroom. So basically one bedroom is on the other side of the house and two bedrooms on the other side. So your bedroom number 2 is right over here. So once you step inside this bedroom and you can have a look, this bedroom is much more spacious with ample of space to move around in the room. Here's a huge bed which is placed in the center of the room, and a window for ventilation and lighting purposes provided right over this side. Additionally, you can have a look the wardrobe which is set just opposite to the window. You can even add up your work table, your dressing area, or else a TV unit space right over here. Now once you step outside this room, the common washroom is right over here with easy access. Before that, the sink area will be provided right this side and the common washroom over here. With anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting, again here the shower area is divided via tile drop. Now the master bedroom is just beside me, but before that let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now this is the entrance for your master bedroom, and once you enter, again this bedroom comes up with a foyer area for your privacy so that no bed space is visible from your living area. Now once you enter, let's have a look at the flooring. Again this comes up with the vitrified flooring, and this is your most spacious room of the house with a master bed in the center of the room where you can add up the king size bed. Now here is your private balcony. So this house comes up with two balconies, one in the living area and one the private balcony in master bedroom. Here's the anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will give you perfect 3-side open view so that you can enjoy a perfect scenic view. Once you step inside, let's focus upon the other part of this room where you can add up the work table. Here you can add up the TV unit space, your dressing table as well, and this side is the wardrobe space. This bedroom comes up with a private washroom. So right over this side is the private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting. Again here the shower area is divided via tile drop. Even the sink is provided inside the washroom. So this was all about your 3 BHK Lux Plus staff room model flat at this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here in Tani Sandra location. Have you checked another project in Tani Sandra? If yes, then do again let me know in the comment section. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.